is 1:06 p.m. We ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we arrive at the gate and the captain turns off that side of the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Items do tend to move throughout the flight. If this is your final destination on JetBlue, your bags may be claimed at the JetBlue carousel. The carousel number will be displayed on the monitors right once you clear customs. If you have a pink bag tag receipt that says claim at gate for items such as strollers, those items can be retrieved right outside that front boarding door. If you need any special assistance deplaning the aircraft today, such as a wheelchair, we ask that you please remain comfortably seated once you arrive at the gate so we may better assist you. On behalf of all of us at JetBlue, especially this Newark, New Jersey-based crew, we thank you for flying with us today, and we hope to see you again soon. Enjoy your time in Jamaica.